nice chiclet style keyboard. It is very clearly membrane. Yeah, they all got an equal amount of give to it. Scroll lock and F pen. There you have color options, not like breathing or anything, like no special effects, you just got the color. Page up and page down. So up, I think it's at its brightest concrete there. It's a pretty good starter bundle if you just need something that works. If you're into silent stuff, very quiet maybe, let's see if we can hear. I barely would hear that. Let's put comfort of that. The RGB on it. It's not just one color kind of transitions, you see that? Pretty cool. What's so good for you, yeah? You hear that? It's good strength magnets too, but it's not gonna, this will wiggle off and it's not, look at that, picking it up. It keeps your wrist elevated. So, 2 thumbs up for that. And yeah, check it out.